Hello, my name is Ana Granados from the Strategic Management course. So, following the guide, the date is 3 of October. I'm going to talk about Airbnb case. So, Airbnb is a hosting company which arises as an initiative different from hostels and hotels. Airbnb offers to people comfort, exploring, and adventures in exchange for an economic cost. So we have this Ishikawa diagram. So we have the central problem that is competitiveness between Airbnb and hotels. And we have the first part that is economic prices. So the cause of this part is the lack of taxes and the natural peoples as a host. Other part is the negotiation. In the second part, we have Kirky Place. The causes are global facility, second, diversity of standards, and finally, different environments. In the third part, we have attentive host. The causes are standards of cares and diversity of service. And finally, we have the virtual facilities. The app of Airbnb and the online page have the cause of the dynamic platform and numerous offers. So all these elements and components cause the central problem that here is the competitiveness between Airbnb and hotels.